You're well on your way to a career in the health sciences, but you want to go so much further. Because for you, education isn't just about learning facts. It's about learning how to use that knowledge to make an impact, to change lives, to push the boundaries of science and medicine further and wider, and to discover new ways to bring healthcare to all. Okay, that all sounds great, but how do you get there? What's the next step? It's this one, and it starts right now. Welcome to HSC. As one of the nation's premier health science centers, the University of North Texas Health Science Center at Fort Worth was founded with one simple purpose: to reshape the future of health. All 6 of our colleges were founded to train the next generation of healthcare providers, researchers, and public health professionals so they can find their purpose and make a difference. So whether you choose to study in our colleges of osteopathic medicine, biomedical and translational sciences, public health, health professions, pharmacy, or nursing, we're equipping tomorrow's healthcare leaders with a whole health perspective to meet their potential. Technology? Yeah, we got that. From our state-of-the-art facilities to absolutely cutting-edge technology, we've decked out our beautiful Fort Worth campus with every tool imaginable to better prepare our students for the changing landscape of medicine. Of course, what's technology without a human touch? Our staff includes some of the nation's top educators and researchers who believe that an interdisciplinary approach is the best and fastest way to advance healthcare in our communities. This means that as you're becoming a star in your chosen field, you'll also be learning the bigger picture of health for a more well-rounded education. Are you ready to push the envelope in research? Well, you're in luck because HSC puts research right where it belongs, on the leading edge. Our internationally known faculty researchers are exploring new approaches to the treatment of disease, including aging and Alzheimer's, primary care and prevention, and investigative genetics. The future of healthcare is being discovered today, and you're invited to come help us find it. We know you want to have a life outside of school too. Well, good news, HSC is located near the heart of Fort Worth with easy access to great food, arts and entertainment, and the historical Fort Worth stockyards. HSC encourages its students and faculty to engage with both the campus and the surrounding community, fostering positive change and influence. Still not sure? That's okay. Even before admission, we offer one-on-one advising, appointments, webinars, tours, and live events so you can be sure we're the right fit for your dreams. Students can also take advantage of financial aid, academic tutoring, online programs, health and well-being support, career readiness services, and more than 100 student organizations. Phew, that's a lot. So there you have it, HSC in a nutshell. So what do you say? Are you ready to discover your purpose and choose your path? Then visit unthsc.edu or email admissions@unthsc.edu to learn more or apply today.